Welcome back. Python is excellent at math. Whether you are building a calculator, tracking a budget, or analyzing data, numbers are everywhere in programming. Today we are going to explore how Python handles numbers and arithmetic. Let's look at the code. The first section shows the basic arithmetic operators. Plus for addition. Minus for subtraction. Asterisk for multiplication. Slash for division. These work exactly like you would expect. But there are three more that are really worth knowing. Double slash is called floor division. It divides two numbers and then rounds down to the nearest whole number. So 10 divided by 3 is 3.33, but floor division gives you just 3. The percent sign is the modulus operator. It gives you the remainder after division. 10 modulus 3 equals 1, because 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. The modulus operator is more useful than it sounds. You will use it to check if a number is even or odd, or to cycle through a list repeatedly. And double asterisk is the power operator. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Now look at the practical example. We have a price and a quantity. We multiply them to get a total. Notice the :2f inside the f string. That tells Python to show exactly 2 decimal places, perfect for money. Now look at the type conversion section. When a user types a number into input, Python gives it back as a string. Before you can do any math with it, you have to convert it. Int converts to a whole number. Float converts to a decimal. After converting, you can add, subtract, and multiply like normal. Scroll down to the challenge. We calculate the area of a rectangle by multiplying length and width. Here is your challenge. Pause the video. Write a program that asks the user for their hourly wage and how many hours they worked. Convert both to numbers. Calculate their total pay. Print the result. See you in lesson 5.